Looking for a seamless way to convert social media videos into high-quality files? Today, I'm showing you how to use Snappixify to get the job done in seconds. If you want to stay ahead with more powerful tools and tech tips, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dive right in.
Once you've copied your video URL, head over to Snappixify Online Video Converter. Simply paste the link into the input box. It supports YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter. Now, for the key settings, under Format, you can choose from MP4, MOV, MKV, and more. For video quality, I highly recommend selecting 1080p for the best balance of clarity and file size. You can leave the audio codec on auto, then decide whether you want the video with or without audio. Next, hit Convert Video. On the conversion page, select your preferred resolution, like 1080p, format, and file size, then click Download. Once the progress bar finishes, the file will be saved directly to your computer. You'll find it right in your Downloads folder.
Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.